Budgie's a little helicopter. He is brave, a little hero. Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pippa, Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure.
Budgie!
Rocketing rotors.
Oh, Budgie's a little helicopter. He is nippy, look at him go, it's Budgie, the little helicopter.
Budgie had flown to Fenborough with a delivery of computer parts. Now he was on his way back to Harefield and was high above the little railway line that ran from the village of Nether Burdock to Oakford.
Soon be home now, Snowy. Hey, an old steam train. Hello. Are you taking that thing to Oakford Station?
That thing is a royal carriage, and yes, I'm taking it to Oakford, if I can make it.
Why? What's the problem?
I'm running out of fuel. That's the problem.
Oh, didn't they give you enough?
Yes. I started late, went too fast. The faster you go, the more fuel you use. My own fault.
Oh, dear. Anything I can do?
Not unless you've got a sack of coal with you.
I could get one.
Really?
Yes. Where are they?
Oh, wonderful. At Nether Burdock, in the railway yard. Tons of coal.
You try to keep going. I'll be back soon.
Oh.
Mum, we're going to be late.
No, we're not.
We are, Mum. We're missing Queen What's-Its royal carriage.
Queen Mary's, and we won't. Ken's going to run us there in his pickup truck.
But where is Ken?
Hello.
Ken!
Ready to see my lovely railway carriage, then?
Oh, yes. I thought it was Queen Mary's railway carriage.
Well, yes, but me and my friends in the Railway Society have rebuilt it.
Oh.
So, let's go.
Yeah!
Oh, thank goodness.
Whew. It's a lot bigger than I thought. Where do you want it?
In the tender, back there.
Now what happens?
That's it. The automatic feeder will take care of the rest. Thanks a lot, mate.
I'm glad I could help. Right, I'll get off home.
Here, what's your name?
It's Budgie.
Mine's Jake. Thanks again, Budgie. So long.
You might as well sit down. The train's not due for another 15 minutes.
Oh.
Whew, made it. Now it's downhill all the way.
Hi, Budgie.
Hello, Pippa. Where are you off to?
The signals have broken down on a railway line. Lionel wants me to try and see where the problem is.
Gosh, that's funny. I've just been helping a steam train. See you later, then.
Bye. How old is the carriage, Ken?
It was built for Queen Mary in 1928.
1928? Gosh! It must be falling to pieces.
Not anymore, it's not. The only question is, where's the train that's pulling it?
Now we're really moving.
Got it safely?
Yes, it's fine.
Off you go then. Bacco's waiting for it in the goods yard near Oakford Station.
Right, Lionel. Bye. It's nothing but railways today, Snowy.
Lionel to Pippa, any sign of the problem? Over.
I haven't seen anything yet, Lionel. Oh!
Yes, Pippa?
Budgie to Lionel. What problem's that?
Yeah, just a minute, Budgie. Go on, Pippa.
There's been some sort of rockfall. It's broken the signal cables and blocked the line.
Shuddering joysticks. Whereabouts?
About halfway between Oakford and Nether Burdock.
Good work, Pippa. I'll get onto the railway company right away. Over and out.
Lionel, the rockfall. Jake's on that line. I'll have to warn him.
Budgie? Who's Jake? Budgie?
Wow, doing great. I shan't be that late after all.
Yes, Lionel. Jake the engine. I've got to get to him before he runs into the rockfall.
Absolutely. I'll warn Pippa. Over and out.
Oh, there's Snowy. Smoke. I'll bet that's Jake.
Finished? Yes.
What can have happened to it?
I don't get it, Snowy. He's vanished.
Budgie! What are you doing here? The rock fall's further along.
I'm looking for Jake the engine. Where can he have disappeared to?
I don't know. There's a tunnel about half a mile away.
A tunnel? That's it! Come on! He's coming! I can hear him! Jake! Stop! There's...
Oh no! Jake! Stop!
Jake! Jake!
Hello! It's you again!
You've got to stop!
Cuz! I'm late already!
No! No, the line's blocked!
What?
There's been a rock fall!
Rock fall? Oh no!
What?
My brakes! My brakes have failed!
Oh no!
I'm going to hit the rocks!
No, you're not!
Budgie! Don't leave me!
Try reverse thrust.
What?
Go into reverse. It's how we put the brakes on. Try it.
I'll try anything! No! No use!
Oh, where's Budgie gone?
Rocketing rotors. There isn't much time. Oh no! He's coming! He's coming!
Try reversing again. It even stops Jean-Claude.
I dare! I might break a conrod! Oh! Oh!
Oh, I can't move that stuff. I might dig the track up. He's coming. What can I know. I'll blow it off.
They did it. You're going to be all right.
And what about when I get to the end of the line?
Oh no.
Hello, Budgie. I've got information from the railway company.
Hello, Lionel. What?
There's an uphill branch line a mile past the station. Get Jake onto that and the climb will stop him.
Oh, great. I'll tell him.
I can't get onto the branch line.
Why not?
Because I just follow the rails. If the points aren't changed, I'll keep straight on.
What are points?
Where two tracks meet, there's a big handle. Needs to be pulled.
I'm going to look. Here, you take the bucket.
It's Pippa. And Budgie.
What's going on?
Hey!
It's the carriage! It's the carriage! Go on.
A big handle, a big... Ah! Now, I wonder if I can... Oh, that's it. I'll just have to. And fast. Oh, wrong way.
Thanks, Budgie. You're a good un.
That was close.
Oh, great!
Bacco!
You've got my new bucket. Here, my new bucket.
Uh-oh.